Hello and welcome everyone. I will do a quick tutorial on how to download and use the Discord app on your computer. Uh, First of all, we need to go to the uh, Discord website to download the app. So just go to your browser and to a search bar and just Google Discord download. The first link will probably be it. We are the official Discord website, and we'll just click download now. Then you can choose where you actually want to download the app or the setup. Now to have it, you can see it here. I will have to, I will replace it. I'm sorry that it's not in English, but yeah. And if you're also using Chrome, like me, all you have to do from here, you can just click here and show in folder, and it will take you to the location of where you downloaded the setup. After that, you would just double click this and you would install Discord. But since I already have it installed and it's even on, installation failed. So no matter, you would install it, you would create an account. I think that's pretty much, nobody needs help with that. And then when you turn it on, you would see this, except you wouldn't have any friends here and you wouldn't have any servers here. You would see these two, server discovery and add a server. So for now, let's just stick to how to use Discord. So at the bottom left of your screen, you can see your username and your identification number, which is here with the hashtag. You can't see what number I have because I don't know who will see this, but yeah, that's where it is. And that will become important when you want to add friends. But before that, you can see I have a profile picture. You probably were asked to add some private information when you installed it, but if you didn't do anything, you can always change your username and your profile picture if you go to user settings and my account. You can see here my username, my email, which also will be blurred, and my profile picture. And you can just like edit, and you can edit all that stuff here. Change avatar, change username. You can't change your identification. If you want to, they call it actually a tag. So sorry. You can change your tag if you have Nitro, if you pay for Discord. But screw that. Then you have your email and your password. And after you're done, you just say save. You can also disable your account here or delete your account. Also, in your account, you can enable two-factor authentication, which will add another layer of security, except for your password. Each time you log in somewhere, you'll also be sent an SMS, and with a code which you have to put in to actually turn Discord on. Depends on you. Here you have here in settings, we can also look at some stuff that you might find important. Sometimes Discord doesn't work that well, so you have to make sure that you have your input device as the microphone you actually use, and your output device, your headphones or your speakers that you use. Otherwise, sometimes it happens that nobody hears you or you hear nobody. It's because of this, usually. And yeah, input mode means if you are in a voice call or on a server in a voice channel, we'll get into that later. That means how your microphone will pick up your voice. If you have voice activity, like I do, it means the microphone is basically always on, and each time it hears you talking, it will activate. But if you activate push to talk, each time you want to talk, you will have to press a button and hold the button or hold the key so you could talk. You can determine your sensitivity if you have voice activity. And if you have a laptop or a webcam connected to your computer, you can set your webcam settings here. But since I don't have that, I never did that. Now, if you play video games, Discord is made mainly for gamers, and this is a overlay setting for when you're playing games. So if I would turn on a game, and I could here, if I press Shift 2 while in Shift plus F2 while in game, I would turn on the Discord overlay. Here I can set the size of avatars when I'm in Discord overlay. Then if I want to display names, if I want to see users, and if I will receive notifications, they'll be in the left top left corner. Now, notifications, you can enable anything you want here. Depends on you. It's pretty, you can see the descriptions here, so they tell you everything you need to know. So, game activity. Well, now if you have games, Discord will automatically detect any games. If not, you can just add your game here. Just add it, and depends on programs you had on, it will now see it as a game, and you can turn on the Discord overlay. Here we can see the games that I have, and here we say Discord overlay on, it's like this, and I toggle it and it's off. Now if I would play Team Fortress, I couldn't turn on Discord overlay in-game. Appearance, of course, everyone has to use the dark mode. Nobody uses the light mode. If you use the light mode, what are you doing with your life? But yeah, you can change the size of fonts. You can see what it actually does, or in the zoom level. So it's like this. So that, and yeah. So yeah, and language stuff, pretty self-explanatory. Escape. Now we quickly went through the settings, and we can get to how you actually add friends. Now, usually on Facebook or anything, when you want to add friends, you go to your friends tab and you press add friends. This seems pretty normal, but in Discord, you not only got to have the username, like HJCZ, but you also got to have the tag or the ID, which is, as I said, you can see your ID in the bottom left corner of the screen. So I have this, although you can't see it. I have my username, but I have the tag, which I have here, but you can't see because I don't know who will see this. So if you want to actually add a friend, you have to ask for the username and also their tag, these 4 numbers. And once you have those, you would put in the name, then hashtag, and the 4 numbers. How do I do this? But since this username and tag doesn't exist, or they don't exist together, it won't say anything, and it's now telling me to check the capitalization, spelling, spaces, everything is important here. We would send request, and after you've added those friends, you can see, after you send that, you can see them in pending. You would see that they've received a notification, but they have yet to answer. And once they answer, you could see them in either online or all, and you can see all the friends that you have here. And once you have your friends here, you can just click on the username and chat. So that's how friends work. And if you have more friends, you can actually create a group DM by going to the top right corner, and you can see add friends to DM. You click that, you click who you want to invite. Let's see a bad example. Yeah, that seems perfect. Then you press create group DM, and it would create group DM. Here you can also see start voice call or start video call, and pin messages. You see when you're chatting in Discord, you can pin messages. If you click on these 3 dots next to your message, you see the pin. You can also delete them or edit them. But you can also pin a message, and once the message is pinned, if you click here, you can see the message no matter how long it was since it was sent. So that's how you create group DMs, how you add friends, how you pin messages, how you edit messages, and how you send them. Now, how do you join a server? Well, one option is to go through here and server this through Discord server discovery. You can try searching for something, like even though it's right here, I could just go Apex, and it finds Apex. If you want to join some other servers, you could always go to your browser, like I have Chrome, and you can just Google, I don't know, get lovers Discord server. I don't fuck. And yeah, we can just see. Wonder. I have no idea what this is. Literate RP server. Yeah, I totally. Well, if I would actually want to join, I would click join, and I would be there. I don't want to join, so I will say no thanks. But once you've joined the server, you see in your completely left hand corner, you can see all the servers that I am in. This is my own personal server that I have created for my friends. And once you're there, you will see this chatting area. You'll also see next to the servers another tab where you can see all these kind of rooms. They have their own names. I'll go over that. Yeah, I will explain these more once I'm saying how to actually create a server. But if you're on a server, there are two types of, let's say, channels or rooms. There are text rooms, which are uh, these with the hashtag. And each of you can, if you want to join or one, you just click on it once, and you're there. Then the other kind of room that exists is a voice channel, which is if you're on a server and you want to talk with people, you click once on the voice channel, and now you can see I'm in this voice channel, and each time we can see the green circle around my profile, it means it registers me talking. So if anyone would join the server, they could hear me and everything I was saying. And once you don't want to be in the server again, you go down here, disconnect, and I'm not in a voice channel anymore. So I'm pretty sure that's basically all you need to know. Thanks for your attention. Hope it didn't suck too much.